up in the middle of the night. Just a good day. Welcome to the hotel microphone.
The first day of Expedite 2019, the annual sports fest of Bennett University, closed with a mesmerizing bonfire night. The players enjoyed and relaxed with live music in the pleasant weather. While being in the mellow mood, the players still had the fire of competition alive. Here's what they have to say.
Hello, I'm TJ Rama. I'm representing Bennett University in football, and we have played 2 matches and we won both of them. I hope this form continues and we go on to win the tournament. Talking about the fest, it has been great so far. I hope this continues for the next 2 days, meeting new people and interacting.
Hi guys, I'm Vishwak. I'm from BML Munjal University and I'm here representing the football team. Today we have played against the Bennett University football team. For starters, the competition was really good and the overall Expedite Fest was really fun, and I hope the best for the upcoming tournaments.
Unwinding from a day of nail-biting matches, the voices of the players and university students echoed in the grounds of BU, calling it a day.